Evening, folks. It is Bobby Two Pups Breaks on a Thursday. It is June the 8th. We are breaking Bomb Box Jerseys Plus Combo Series. It is a one box or one envelope break. Randomed up our 10 remaining boxes. 22 is what we got. Random team sales on your right. We've already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized, y'all. Gave you a chance to trade, had a couple of offers, nothing going down. Well, but going to be the VHS graded personal box for the Milwaukee spot, folks. Bam! Also going to be the Tyreek Hill Salute to Service authentic helmet for Miami. Guys, Baltimore going to get the repeats. Well, looks like Chera are going to get the repeat right at the top of our list. Milwaukee going to be Kyle. Wow. Sloan bouncing back with a big hit there finally, guys. Again, nothing in your envelope. I am so sorry, Pat, man. I have not hit you shit, man. You had 3 fucking killer teams that time, bud. I really thought I was finally going to be able to pull you something nice, man. Alright, well, Tyreek, the tape, let me grab those, folks. Alright, I only got the one, so there ain't no picking numbers. Kyle, I know, sorry. Let me just show the helmet here real quick. Bam! Going to be the Tyreek Hill Salute to Service authentic, guys. That is not a fucked up decal, bud. That is the way they are. They just have like a, supposed to be like a speckled or worn look. Salute to Service. Authentic. Tyreek Hill going to Sloan. Alright, so here goes your graded VHS. It is box of 43, Kyle. Again, we don't have any other boxes, so there is no pick-in, unfortunately, for you. Alright, going here, pop of your seal, bud. Be a little lackluster as they've got these things wrapped like a mother here. It's going to be paper and then a bag on top of it. Let's all see what we're going to get together here, bud. You know, gonna be a Crimson Tide. Don't think that's gonna be a big hit for you, bud. Again, not a bad movie. It's only an 8 though. 8 on the box. 7.5 on the seal, bud. Gonna be a Crimson Tide. Again, Denzel Washington, Gene Hackman. Good movie, just not one of the bigger hits in the series there, unfortunately, Kyle. That is gonna wrap up that one, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch. Kyle taking the tape. Sloan taking the Tyreek Hill, folks. 9 boxes remaining. Y'all have a good one.